How to fuel your Mogo trades, depositing on the Mogo app. Ever dreamt of being your own boss on the stock market? Taking control of your financial future and making your money work for you? Well, if you've been eyeing Mogo Trade, you might be wondering, how exactly do I get my cash into the game? Fear not, fellow investor wannabes. Today's your lucky day, because we're diving deep into depositing on the Mogo app. Context and Mogo breakdown. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a sec. Mogo offers a bunch of financial tools, but for today, we're focusing on Mogo Trade, their investment platform. This is where you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, all that jazz. But like any good vehicle, you gotta fill it up before you can take it for a spin on the market. That's where depositing comes in. Depositing options, round 1, Interac e-transfer. Alright, so you're ready to fuel your Mogo Trade account. Here's your first option, the Interac e-transfer. This is a super convenient way to zip money straight from your bank account to Mogo Trade. Here's how it works. Open the Mogo app and tap that sweet account tab in the corner. Next, find transfers. It's like your financial mission control. See that beautiful button that says Deposit to Mogo Trade? Give it a tap. Now, choose the account you want to pump funds into, personal, TFSA, or RRSP. Remember, these have different tax implications, so pick wisely, young grasshopper. Enter the amount you want to deposit and follow the on-screen steps. It's pretty intuitive, but hey, if you get stuck, Mogo has a fantastic help center. Depositing options, round 2, bill payment. Feeling a little more old school? No worries. You can also use bill payment to move money from your bank into Mogo Trade. Here's the lowdown. Head back to that familiar account tab in the Mogo app. You're getting the hang of this, right? Tap on transfers. We're becoming transfer pros. This time, instead of deposit to Mogo Trade, you'll see bill payment. Give that a friendly tap. Now, things get a little different. You'll need to set up Mogo Trade as a payee in your bank's online banking platform. Don't worry, it's usually pretty straightforward. Here's the key part. You'll need your Mogo Trade account number. To find that gem, go back to Transfers and tap on Deposit to Mogo Trade. There you'll see handy instructions with your unique account number. Once you've added Mogo Trade as a payee and entered your account number in your bank's bill payment section, you're good to go. Just choose the amount you want to transfer and follow your bank's instructions. Important tips before you deposit. Hold on a sec, there are a few things to keep in mind before you hit that deposit button. Double check those names. Make sure the name you have on your Mogo Trade account matches exactly with the name on your bank account. Any mismatches can slow things down. Account types matter. Remember, you have different account options in Mogo Trade, personal, TFSA, and RRSP. Each has its own tax benefits, so choose the one that aligns with your financial goals. Patience is a virtue. Deposits might take a couple of business days to show up in your Mogo Trade account. Don't panic if it doesn't appear instantly. Alright, with that arsenal of knowledge, you're ready to fuel your Mogo Trade adventures and start conquering the market. Remember, investing involves risk, so do your research and make informed decisions. But hey, with the power of depositing at your fingertips, you're one step closer to becoming a financial whiz kid. Thanks for watching, and until next time.